Hi everyone, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today I want to discuss hiccups. Hiccups can actually be a symptom of hiatal hernia. So I have had this before where I get like a pocket of air, like a pit, right in the middle of your chest, right around the sternum, the bottom of the sternum. And it can burn sometimes, kind of like heartburn, not acid reflux coming up, but heartburn a little bit, right? Or it could irritate you a little bit. So this is a symptom of hiatal hernia and the stomach sliding up, which can happen in the middle of the night.